So hey guys, my name is Rahul. Today I am going to unbox this product from Boat. Basically this product is not a new one. This is old one. Previously my one side of earbuds is not working properly. So that's why I am booking a service for that, and that's ultimately the product is arrived today of now, and I am just unboxing this, and you can see the bill over there. This is the bill. You can see Rahul Sarkar, and this is like this. So this is not a new product, it is a serviced product, and it will take about 1 month because of this COVID-19 situation, and I got delivered today, and now I'm going to unbox this product. So please watch this. And so nothing fancy, only just the headphone. No box also given with that, because when no, nothing is there. So this is the product. They have replaced me शायद रिप्लेस करके दिया है वो लोग. देखते हैं क्या है कि नहीं है. इस टाइम लेके हमारा 2 बार हो गया है ये रिप्लेसमेंट. सो दिस इज़ द हेडफोन दे गिव मी. आई थिंक ये न्यू हेडफोन है. न्यू हेडफोन दिया है ये. अच्छा है, पूरा न्यू हेडफोन दिया है. देख सकते हो आप लोग, न्यू हेडफोन दिया है पूरा. न्यू हेडफोन है पूरा. So now we'll see the other accessories that you can get with this. This is also the USB cable, micro USB cable also given with this, and some earbuds with that. So it will also in this pack. So now I am test the sound of this Boat Rockers 255. So for this I'm going to start this. So this blue light is blinks up, and then my mobile. So in the mobile I go to the Bluetooth section and find for my Boat. So this is, you can see Boat Rockers already shown up. This is my device. So now I can connect it to my device. Wait for some time, it will connect automatically. So now I think it is connected. Yes, now it is connected. You can see that Boat Rockers battery level now 100% showing. So now I play a music on YouTube. So where is the YouTube? So this is YouTube. So play a music. देखते हैं साउंड कैसा आता है इसका. अच्छा ऐड दिच्छे. House can hear the sound. The sound of this product. So now I can stop this sound. Basically, it is totally new product given to me by boat, and pretty good service by them. So this is boat rockers 255. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channels Rahul's Vlog, and if you have any question, please comment down below the comment box. So thank you.